Project management in product development, essential role. What is project management? The process of organizing, planning, and managing the resources that enable us to accomplish project-specific objectives is known as project management. It is frequently employed in business to guarantee that projects are finished on schedule. Applying to many different incidents of our lives, project management also helps with personal goals like studying for exams or creating a budget for your household expenses. Project management is essential to the creation of products since it helps to guarantee that they are delivered on time and to the desired standards of quality. Additionally, it aids in the management of the entire development process from beginning to end for organizations. Project management in product development involves toning the efforts of various teams and stakeholders toward the main objective of achieving the common goal of creating a successful product. This is only possible by performing a few key project management concepts like setting goals, creating schedules for tasks and budgets, making sure of resource availability, etc.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Project management in product development, steps. Without proper project management, product development projects can easily become derailed and fail to meet their goals. Hence, project management is very important for product development for important functions like meeting the desired quality standards within budget. 1. Define the project scope. This entails determining the demands and objectives for the product as well as the tools required to meet them. The target market, the product's features and functionalities, and the development schedule are all included in this. 2. Planning the project. Making a project timetable, listing the duties and actions that must be carried out, and allocating resources to each duty are all included in this. Keeping the project on track and ensuring that everyone on the team is pursuing the same objectives is made possible thanks to this. Planning includes identifying the tasks and activities that need to be completed, allocating resources to each task, creating a project schedule. 3. Tracking the project's progress. Any issues or threats that surface while developing a product are identified, addressed, and any necessary adjustments to the project plan are implemented. This makes it simpler to ensure that the project stays on schedule, within budget, and that the finished product meets the necessary standards of quality. Monitoring includes reviewing progress reports from your team members on a regular basis, weekly or monthly. Identifying any issues or risks that may impact your ability to deliver on time or within budget. Importance of project management in product development. Not enough time is given for product development by dealing and investing most of the resource time for short-term incidents. Micromanaging project development ends up overusing development resources for handling too many projects at the same time in such instances. 1. Scheduling and organizing resources. Scheduling and organizing resources, such as people, time, and money, helps to make sure they are used effectively and efficiently. This is crucial in the creation of new products since there are frequently numerous teams and stakeholders engaged, and time and money are typically limited. 2. Defining the project scope. Project management aids in the project scope definition, which includes determining the objectives, aims, and target market. This ensures that every project team member involved in the project is focused on the same project objective. 3. Creating a project schedule. By identifying the tasks and activities that must be carried out and allocating resources to each task, project management makes it easier to produce a project plan. This will ensure that everyone on the team is working towards the same goals and that the project is completed on time. 4. Tracking development. Project management facilitates tracking development and making necessary changes to the project plan. By doing so, it is ensured that the project will be completed on time, on budget, and to the appropriate levels of quality. 5. Managing hazards. Project management aids in locating and controlling any project-related risks. This entails identifying probable issues and creating backup strategies to deal with them. This lowers the possibility of delays or failure and guarantees the 6. Fostering teamwork and collaboration. Project management helps foster teamwork and collaboration among team members and stakeholders. This includes creating effective communication channels, identifying and resolving conflicts, and building trust and respect among team members. 7. Improving communication. Communication between team members and stakeholders is facilitated by project management. This entails frequent check-ins, updates on deadlines and milestones, and progress reports. This guarantees that everyone is aware of the project's development and that any problems or concerns are resolved as soon as possible. Best practices for project management. Create a project plan. The first step in any successful product development project management is to create a detailed plan for how you're going to accomplish it. Determining necessary agendas as well as goals in accordance with the resources, time, money, and people available to you as well as your team. Allocate tasks and responsibilities to each team member so that everyone is aware of their responsibilities at each phase of development. Establishing a productive communication strategy so that everyone is aware of the proper times for, and purposes of, interpersonal communications. Regular check-ins with stakeholders and weekly updates on the status of reaching the goals outlined in your initial plan are part of this. Project management tools. In order to create a quality product, you must also obtain the right tools. These are some of the commonly used project management tools for product development. Gantt charts. This is an easy method of displaying the development and milestones of your project. You may create these in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, among other software. Project management software. This is more sophisticated than simply using an Excel spreadsheet. It automates many project planning and tracking tasks to ensure that you do not have to spend time doing these individuals manually on a daily basis, or even every week. Collaboration tools. These technologies make it easier for numerous persons working on a single project to be updated on each other's progress at all times, since they provide instant messaging capabilities within a single platform where everyone can see what others are working on at any one time.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.